Husky 4-piece cutting kit. Comes with 2 cutters, case, and 2 sets of extra blades. Smaller cutters. You just cut like most of these PVC cutters. Nice sharp blade. Got a nice little convenient lock on the bottom. Lock it up. Husky's got a lifetime warranty. You can see on the box here on their tools. It's got some dimensions and a bit of instructions. Bigger cutter is more of a ratchet. You open it all the way and then you ratchet it down. And it cuts. And usually I'll show you when I do. That's good. Don't shut those for storage. Let's take a look at how to change the blade in the larger form factor cutter. Slide this little tab backwards. It comes out. And you can see it just has to go on top of that pin. Actually, the pin gets pushed inside of this little indentation. Slide it backwards. There you go. Automatic. This one requires a little manual work. You have to, first of all, take this pin out, this spring out. It comes out. When you put it back in, I think you can see this. It has to go between those 2 indentations and in front of this side over here. In case, unscrew it. Make sure you know which way is up. Screw comes out and a little pin falls out at the bottom. And then this pin blade comes out. Then you have to unscrew both of these little, it's like an Allen wrench, but it has a Phillips head on it. And this is a brand new tool, so what I would do normally, I'll put a permanent marker here so I know which side I've used. That way if I drop the blade or something, because these are double-sided, I can flip this around. I know which side is coming out. Be careful because they're sharp. Not quite as sharp as a shaving razor, but pretty sharp. Little pins back in, screws. Very well made, plastic's heavy duty. Screws fit nice and tightly. Push it back through so it's pointing inward. Pin in the little brad hole, whatever that thing is called, on the top. And screw it together. Okay. I'll put this in. This looks pretty symmetrical, except one part's a little longer, and I suspect that's going to be on the black side, so we'll push that in here. Not sure if it matters. Nope, other way, it won't fit in here. So the short side goes in the black side, and this goes in between. There you go. Nice cutter. You can see I have to rebuild my water collection system. It gets collected into a tank back there, gravity fed off of my gutters that I'm having replaced. But we had a lot of damage with Snowvid 21 in Texas, including this pipe that broke. I haven't ever used a big handled one. Let's see if this fits on here. I keep squeezing. That didn't work. Let's try this guy. No, that works a lot better. Ooh, it's full of ants, fire ants. Watch out where your ants build nests. Well, that was 2-inch pipe PVC, and they're not made for that, rated for that, so it cracked it. I don't know if it lost some of its integrity because it froze at 0 degrees or not. So I got another project over in the garden that uses regular size PVC. Gotta improve my wicking bucket systems to complement the raised bed gardens. Let's try the smaller form factor. Cut the end of this PVC off. Squeeze it. And twist. Nice cut. Nice clean cut. Okay, let's try the bigger form factor. See how that does. I've never used these bigger ones before. Let's see. I'm just going to squeeze. Nice clean cut. This is made for real thick PVC. Let's see if it'll work on, let's see, bigger Charlotte pipe here. Ooh, that feels good. Cutting through there, that's satisfying. Nice cut. Very good blades. Very good feel to these tools. I like the locks on them. I used to, on my older sets, have to put a tie wrap, loose tie wrap here. It's nice to have those closed in the drawer so I don't cut myself. Overall, good set of tools by Husky.